Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a few websites that you can use in making lots of money for yourself when you refer your friends. So many of you have referred someone to use a particular product, and at the end of the day you get paid for it. So I'm going to be showing you some websites in which you can use in earning good money and cool commission for yourself when you refer people to that particular website. This is known as referral marketing, where you have to recommend people to use a particular product, and at the end of the day check out the product and you get paid for it. This particular referral marketing is built with trust. People have to trust you before they have to start making use of a particular product, or they start going to a particular site. So when you are being trusted, people trust that what you bring to the table, or what you offer, or what you are saying is something that can give them what they are looking for. They will have no other option than to go for that. Here too, this is where we'll hear about influencers, or we see influencers who market some product. Influencers have to use their popularity in order to make people use a particular product, and at the end of the day they get commission for that. I know you know about a lot of websites in which influencers make people to use. That is why at the end of the day they will tell you use my promo code in order for you to get this particular commission at the end of your registration. That's what we know as referral marketing, where you are being directed to use a particular product, and at the end of the day you get a commission, and the person who refer you also make some commission. And when these individuals tell you to use a particular product, you have to use their promo code in order for you to get that particular commission that you are going to be looking for. So I'm going to be showing you a site in which you can be able to use in making cool money for yourself when it comes to referral marketing, and you make commission without doing all you just need to do is to register in the platform and get started, and you do what is required. So go through in order I'm going to be showing you, so that you can see the step-by-step guide on what you need to do, on how you can be able to get started, and these different platforms that I'm going to be showing you on how you can be able to make commission in these different platforms. So if you are joining for the first time and you are seeing me, my name is Kelechi Franklin, and all I do is to share tips and tricks, strategies, and when they work I share them with you and you try them for yourself. All you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification button down below there. YouTube will inform you whenever I drop money making videos like this. And the first app I'm going to be talking about is Binance. Binance is a crypto platform in which allows you to buy and sell your crypto and do a lot of trading when it comes to crypto activities. And Binance is one of the best and most used crypto platform in which is used worldwide and all of that. So Binance also gives you the opportunity to refer individuals, and you earn some commission when you refer individuals to use the platform. That is why if you look at the referral program, in which it gives you the opportunity to refer a friend, and look at how it works. They say all you just need to do is to share to this individual, and then you refer them to use the particular platform, and you earn 40% commission when your friends start trading on the platform. That is to say that when your friends start depositing and start making trades on the platform, you start earning commission immediately. Those individuals who you refer or who you share your link with, and you make a commission out of it. It to say that you make commission when these individuals transfer funds or deposit to their wallets, and you start earning commission from it. Remember, you earn 40%, and I will say that this is the best because you earn in crypto asset instead of earning in naira and all of that. So you have the opportunity to earn in crypto assets, and you get paid when these individuals deposit funds using this particular platform. Another app I'm going to be talking about, which is also related, is Coinbase. Coinbase is another alternative to Binance in which people use in trading and all of that, but I'm not here to talk about that. What I'm here to talk about is the referral program, in which gives you the opportunity to also refer individuals, and then you earn commission too in crypto assets. So that is to say that when you refer individuals to use this particular platform, you come to earn commission from it. So when you look at how it works, it also gives you the opportunity to refer, and then you earn in crypto asset to when you use the website or share the website to individuals who would love to use the particular platform. So if you know those individuals who you know that would love to use this particular platform, or who are coming into the crypto space and who are looking for platform in which they can be able to use in trading. You can share your Binance, you can share your Coinbase to them, your referral link to them, and you earn commission out of it when this individual start depositing or start trading with the app. And another platform I'm going to talk about is what we know as FX. Yeah, this is one of the most popular known app in which a lot of influencers use. If you know any influencer who normally makes use of this or who normally refer people to use this particular platform, go to the comment section, just type the name of the influencer, let us make an algorithm and all of that, because that program gives you the opportunity to refer individuals and you earn commission from it. That is why you see a lot of these influencers, they will come and tell you that you should use this particular platform and you use their promo code. They will tell you to use their promo code, and at the end of the day you earn a commission when you start depositing. And the sweet part of it is that you get to refer individuals to use your link in your area, then you share it to them. Then this individual, you can decide to share it through your WhatsApp, your Skype, Telegram. You share your referral link on all social media network and Facebook, Twitter, and all of that. Then the fourth thing that you need to have in mind is that you earn commission per each standard lot trade this individual do on the app. That is to say that when these individuals start trading and they start making commission from their trade or start making earnings from their trade, you earn each standard lot size or on each particular trade that this individual make. So this is the sweet part of it. And then you also receive and withdraw your commission once it's 24 hours after transaction has been made into your account. So this is what you just need to do. Share your promo code or share your link to these individuals. They can join, and when they join, and you also make a lot of commission out of it. So find your referral statistics on your personal area and you start earning commission on this particular platform. The next app I'm going to be talking about is what we know as Trove. Yes, Trove allows you to invest in stock and shares, and it's not a new thing. When you want to learn how to invest in stock and shares, the platform using which you can use can be Trove. Trove can also give you the opportunity to invest in shares and all of that. But when it comes to the referral aspect, it gives you a lot of opportunity to earn a lot of commission when you share your referral link to individuals and they start making good use of it. How does it work? They say that all you just need to do is when you invite a friend to join Trove, you can both earn a free. As soon as this individual application gets approved, worldwide credited, both you and this individual get paid or get free stock of GT Bank and Dangote stock. That is to say that this individual, once his or her document has been approved or has been verified, you and the individual will start making earnings, or you start earning a lot of commission out of it. All you just need to do is to, first of all, is to deposit to your wallet. As you can see here, they say you can refer your friend to Trove directly from your app by tapping the share button and share the app to this individual, or you share your referral link to them, and then they get started and all of that. So when you go further down below here, you will see that you can be able to get free stock which are chosen randomly from inventories of shares. So because of the shares are being chosen randomly, both you and your friend or people who you refer to will come to receive the same stock in which was referred to. That's why before you go into all of these things, you need to check the terms and conditions, know how they work and all of that. So when you share your referral link to this individual, you can also get commission from all of this stuff and all of that. The very next app I'm going to be talking about is Piggyverse. Yeah, Piggyverse is a saving app too, and also an investment app in which you can be able to sign up and you get started with the account and all of that, and you can also start sharing your own referral link and all of that. But you have to learn on how you can be able to refer and you successfully get your referral bonuses and all of that. And if you look at how their referral bonuses work, they say that despite earning interest on savings and investment, Piggyverse has a referral program that ensures both the referred and referral earn 1,000 naira each accordingly. That is to say that both you who referred and the person who you referred, each of you will earn 1,000 naira commission for just signing in or using the platform. And this future position is also a win-win situation for each participant. So irrespective of your duration of stay, or you're using the app, you will get commission, or you will get a particular commission as you have started using the app. And if you look at the process in which you need to do in order for you to make sure that your referral bonus is being earned effectively, they say that the person who you refer need to activate his or her account first, then he or she also need to sign up to the platform and then link or update his or her BVN and fund the account with at least 100 naira. So when the individual is able to do this or activate his or her account and put in his or her BVN, that is when you can be able to earn this particular commission. So the process is just you ensuring that this individual sign in and then ensure that they deposit and link their BVN and get started with the app and all of that. Another platform in which I'll be talking about is what we know as Carrywise. Carrywise is another platform in which is very simple platform that allows you to save and also invest your money. This is what everybody is working for, and when you comes to investing, everybody is working to invest their money and put their fund in a safe place and all of that. So Carrywise is one platform you can save your fund and then you can earn commission when you put your fund on this particular platform. So all you just need to do is to use the referral program aspect too. And how does it work? They say that for a start you earn 1,000 naira. You earn 1,000 naira every successful referral you make. Those you refer also receive the same amount, which is 1,000 naira, and your earnings are paid into your Stitch account every month. So a referral is successful after the individual who you have referred have saved and invested up to 5,000 naira. After that, you can be able to earn, both of you, 1,000 naira on this particular stuff. So when you do all of these things, you see that you'll be able to earn from this particular platform. Another platform that is like this too is what we know as the Pamplay. Pamplay is also another platform in which a lot of people can use in saving their money, which allows you to make payments and all of that. The Pamplay is like the Carrywise and the Piggyvest, in which you can save your money and you can earn. It also has a referral commission or bonuses in which when you refer to, you can also make a lot of earning from it. All you just need to do is also do the same process by depositing, linking your BVN, and then you get started and you share your link and ensure that people who you have referred also link their BVN and then fund their wallet, and then you also earn a commission out of it. The last app I'll be talking about is as owodaily. Owodaily platform, I've made a review about this platform. You can check the link in the description where I made a review on how owodaily works. Owodaily's platform is where you can be able to do simple tasks in which allows you to earn commission when you do simple tasks on the platform. So this platform also gives you the opportunity to do some referral program where you can be able to refer a friend and you earn from it. As you can see here, they say enter 3,000 naira when you invite your friend or colleague on Owodaily Plus. That is to say that when this individual sign up, you can be able to earn 3,000 naira commission and all of that. I would say that this platform has more than 50% bonus when it comes to the referral commission when individual sign up with the account. And when you look at the referral process here, you earn a referral bonus of 3,000 naira when you refer a new member to Owodaily Plus, or 1,600 naira when you refer a new member, and 200 naira when you refer a new active member. So you also earn 3% bonus on your referral first deposit and 3% commission when the workers you refer carry out a particular job successfully. That's to say that you earn when you make this particular commission. So when individuals sign up with their 3,000 naira, you earn 1,600 naira, and when they sign up in the Owodaily Plus, here you can be able to earn a commission of 3,000 naira when each individual sign up. So all you just need to do is to go into this platform I just mentioned. There are a lot of platforms I just mentioned, both the OctaFS and the Carrywise and a lot of even the Binance. All you just need to do is to use any of these platforms, do the referral process, do it, and then you get commission out of it. They say there's always money online only when you take action. You can listen to all of these stuff and listen to a lot of channels on how you can be able to make money, but when you don't take action, all of these things cannot be achieved. So you can decide to use the referral action or referral program, and you earn commission out of all of these platforms I just mentioned. Some of the links I will drop some of the link on the description box, so do it to sign up with the link. And when it comes to the owodaily, you can check the review on how you can be able to start up with this particular platform. I've done a video on it before earlier, and you can check on how you can be able to get started and all of that. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification button so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop videos like this.
Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop videos like this.
See you on my next video. Peace.